AudioJungle.
17 amazing next-level car inventions. These awesome car inventions are great for avid tailgaters, campers, outdoorsmen, or really anyone who wants to have the most up-to-date gadgets in their car, truck, or SUV. Gadgets you can use for vehicle recovery, camping, loading and unloading large, heavy items, and more. Get ready, here comes the first of 17 amazing next-level car inventions. Number 17, CL1807HD is an aftermarket visor for your car or truck that can be used for watching videos or for when you need a little more visibility when parking. It's 14.5 inches by 5.7 inches and has a 7-inch display. It can be ordered for either the driver or passenger side, and for $48, it's a much cheaper way to keep the car silent during long trips. Hey, anything that helps minimize annoying car rides sounds good to me. Now, the only thing about this visor is it does not connect to a flash drive. For those of you who don't have kids, don't rub it in. All right, coming in at number 16, DEADMAN, and no, not a real dead man. This DEADMAN is a versatile off-road recovery anchor. This thing is wicked and is perfect for anyone who likes to go off-roading and doesn't always have someone there to help. It can anchor in just about anything from rocks and trees to using the ground to help get your vehicle out of a tough situation. Now, it may not be able to save you from the honey-do list you promised to finish this weekend, but hey, we can't save everyone, right? But hey, in the event you're still trying to get out of that honey-do list, check out number 15. This topper lift is perfect for the get-up-and-go types. As the name suggests, it lifts and holds the topper in place, which makes for easy loading and unloading. And the best part? You can easily turn your pickup into a pop-up camper in no time flat. So forget that honey-do list and get on the road. As always, you can find all supplier info in the comments section below. Now, while you're temporarily avoiding the honey-do list, you might as well relax with a cold one from the truck bed trays at number 14. You can store an incredible amount of beer, soda, water, and many types of other beverages to enjoy those times away from home. Okay, coming in at number 13, the Neodyne Cargo Ramp. Great for moving large cargo, including motorcycles. No more redneck, ghetto, or whatever you want to call it, rigging motorcycles, trikes, or other two-wheeled equipment into the bed of your truck. Now, easy and safe loading and unloading not only onto a truck bed, but also onto a trailer. This can hold motorcycles up to 1,200 pounds and up to 1.5 meters long. So move your bike like a pro. Speaking of being a pro, number 12 is most definitely for those who don't play around when it comes to moving some serious cargo. Lil Hercules Wheel Lift has two options: standard L-arm grid and self-loading HERCULES, which has a 6-function control arm and automatic jaws for quick recovery. The second option is the S-curve, which offers a smooth, gradual incline for cargo to move up and down. Now that's built for tough. See what I did there? You probably thought I was going to say built Ford tough, huh? Gotcha. Okay. Hey, real quick, is your cell phone ringing? No? Great. You can keep watching uninterrupted. All right, moving on. Coming in at number 11, the RAKJAK is a portable folding jack that lifts and supports vehicles with ease. It's compact and lightweight, which makes it easy to store and carry. So now your significant other has no excuse for why they're sitting on the side of the road without a jack. You hear me? No excuse! Sorry. Flashback. Number 10. This little handy gadget will be sure to light up someone's car when they're stranded on the side of the road without a jack. It's an emergency warning system that attaches to your car and spins while emitting a hazard sign, message, or just light to warn oncoming traffic. This is great for preventing secondary injuries and accidents, and it's flexible, so you have more options for where you'd like to put it. Number 9. Just in case you're stranded on the side of the road longer than anticipated, no worries, you're always prepared. You can just set up this Forge 15 hitch-mounted grill. Great for camping, fishing, tailgating, or if you're stranded on the side of the road and just need food. Hey, don't say it can't happen. My aunt once sat on the freeway for 5 hours in a snowstorm. Now tell me she couldn't have used a grill. Heck, she could have charged to feed other drivers who were stranded with her. All right, number 8 is yet another helpful tool. Not only is it a universal cell phone holder, but it also doubles as a Gatling gun and infrared beam that allows you to see through clothes. Just kidding. Had you going there, didn't I? Well, you'll be disappointed to know that it is actually a cell phone holder, but while it can't see through clothes, it does double as a glass breaker and a seatbelt cutter. It uses 4 sturdy arms and 4 strong magnets to keep your phone steady. So no need to worry about your smartphone getting thrown all over the car, and it's right where you need it in case of emergencies. Now, if you can't tell, we love outdoor gadgets. So coming in at number 7 is the Tail Table. It's a retractable table with enough space for 8 people when fully extended. It measures 48 by 30 inches, and at the base it can support 200 pounds while able to support a solid 25 pounds at the far end. Now, for you wine connoisseurs, it has 6 built-in drink holders. Hey, that's a great way to get your girl to let you buy a new gadget and talk her into going camping. Easier for her to drink wine. That's a win-win, right? All right, now what if you're new to this camping thing and you decided to buy some kayaks but then realized you don't have a roof rack? Have no fear, HANDIRACK, coming in at number 6, is here. This is a brand of inflatable roof rack which is great for vehicles without a pre-installed rack. It can carry kayaks, canoes, surfboards, and even cargo boxes. This roof rack has quick inflation and easy install. So when you impulse buy a kayak and need somewhere on your Honda Fit, you've got this handy roof rack. Just install, inflate, and be on your merry little way. What's that you say? You haven't subscribed yet? Hey, no worries. I'll give you a second so you can get on that. Thanks, man, you're awesome. We appreciate your support. Now, just for you, our newest subscriber, Marvel, at number 5. This rigid adapt LED light is the most unique off-road bar of its kind. It adapts to driving conditions and speeds, and who doesn't need more lights when they're off-roading? And coming in at number 4, SafeStow 4. It is effortless ladder storage where you can safely load and unload ladders without climbing, stretching, or unsafe handling. Save your back and your workman's compensation for a more dangerous task, like telling your wife you just bought a new off-road light bar. Thirsty for number 3? What if we told you that every 43 seconds in the US a car is stolen? Well, FOXXVAUL license plate holder will tell you where your car is at a touch of a button. In the event you need an extra key, the plate can also store a set of spare keys which you can access through smartphone or a code on the plate. The battery lasts a year or runs from the vehicle's power supply and runs around $139. A little pricey? Yeah, but hey, anything that makes you look more like James Bond, am I right? All right, 2 more to go. Let's keep going. You won't believe what made number 1. All right, so you've made it into the doghouse again because you, being the manly man that you are, keep buying a bunch of stuff you don't need, and when the missus complained, you brought up all the stuff she buys that she doesn't need. So now you have to choose between the couch or with number 2, a mesh for cars and SUVs so you can just sleep in your car. And once you're out of the doghouse, no need to remove because it's easily stored while still being attached. Put out in the rain? No worries there, it's waterproof. Ha ha! Take that, Miss I Need a Designer Purse every other week. All right, we finally made it, making it to the number 1 spot this week, the DEVKIT 3. Now, what does it do, you ask? It's an autopilot for older cars. So no need to go buy a Tesla. This autopilot comes in a smartphone-sized box and comes with cameras and sensors. It connects to CAN bus and can record video, traffic lights, change lanes, and stop without hands on the wheel. Now, 2 important things to note here are it's only for 2014 and later models, and it goes for about $1,500. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to check out 12 Coolest Gadgets for Men.